changes. What is the word of the day namhlanje? Word of the day: a man is a provider. But who told you that a man is a provider of money? Because women tend to have this mentality that they are only going to submit to their husbands only if there's money involved. Who told you money? Where? Even in the scripture, is there any phrase that say a man is a provider of money? Because umuntu ocabanga kanjalo, once naye waba nemali ngokwakhe, lo mshado uphelile lo mshado. Because ngisho imndeni ifile, abazali bethatha izingane omagcina bebagibeza ekhanda labantu abadala nxa unemali. Imali ibulela izwe. Uma une mentality yokuthi you are only going to perform your task, you are only going to stick to your lane only if there is money involved, you got it all wrong. Man is a provider of direction, vision, security la kule family. Yabo, wena you are going to do what you need to do. Wena you are going to stick to your own lane. Some men, they think they are married to wives, but it's only a matter of time aphele lo msebenzi and realize ukuthi this was not a wife, this was a knife. Yabo, hluza la. Umuntu wesifazane ohlakaniphile, umshado wakhe uyawakha yena, kodwa oyisiwula ubhidliza yena ngezandla zakhe. Akusho ukuthi thobela indoda yakho ngoba nakho inemali. Do what you need to do. The only problem you cannot solve is the problem that is not communicated. Communication is the key. Remove money out of this first, then stick to your lane.